Okay, question 15. We have a sector of a circle and the radius is 18. They're telling me the length of the arc is 4 pi. So I'm just going to put that in there. So that's that part of the circumference, basically. That small part of the circumference for the full circle. That tiny bit there is 4 pi. Okay. I've got to figure out the value of x. Right, so if I had a full circle, I know that I could get the full circumference. That would be 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times 18, or 36 pi. Okay, that's the full one. I don't have the full circle. I only have a small part of it. And that part that I have is 4 over pi. Okay, so what basically I'm going to do is create an equation. 36 pi would be the circumference if I had the full circle, but I don't. I only have x degrees of the full circle. So I have x out of 360 degrees, if you like. And that gives me 4 pi. Okay, I'm going to work through this to try and figure out what x is basically. Okay, so left hand side gives me 36 pi times x divided by 360. That equals 4 pi. Right, let's do some cancelling to make it easier for us to work with. First thing I note is 36 and 360. I can cancel them out. The top 36 goes into itself once. 36 goes into 360 10 times. Okay, so that so far I've got pi over x 10 equals 4 pi. Okay, let's carry on. Multiply the 10 out, so I've got pi times x equals 40 pi. Okay, now I've got pi on both sides, so again, when it comes to cancelling, I can cancel it. And what am I left with? I'm left with x is 40. So that is the number of degrees of my sector. Okay, that's basically what I have in terms of the full circle. I only have 40 degrees worth of it. So that's what I'm going to put down.